Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to change your DNS settings in Wix websites, whether you're using a free site or you've upgraded to premium, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find those crucial DNS settings and how to make adjustments so your site can connect to a custom domain or handle things like email and hosting much more smoothly. Let's jump straight in and start with users who are on Wix's free plan. If you haven't purchased a premium plan yet, don't worry. Wix still gives you a few options to personalize your site's web address. So, you'll begin on your site's dashboard, which is kind of your mission control for everything you want to tweak or optimize. Here, you'll want to head into the Settings section. It might sound simple, but this is really the gateway to all the behind-the-scenes features of your site. Once you're in Settings, look for Workspace Settings. This is where you can adjust things like team access, site credentials, and yes, the site URL prefix. Now, the site URL prefix doesn't let you set advanced DNS records directly, but it does let you change the portion of your web address that appears after wixsite.com. For example, instead of having a random string, you can create something more memorable like wixsite.com, your business name. It's a small touch, but it can make your site feel a lot more professional, especially if you're sharing links with potential clients, friends, or on social media. Now, let's slow down for a second because this step trips up a lot of people. If you're not seeing where to edit your site URL prefix, double-check that you're on the correct dashboard for the site you want to update. Wix can get a little confusing if you have multiple sites in your account. Take a deep breath, poke around in Workspace Settings, and you'll find that site URL area. Making changes here is totally safe. And if you mess up, you can simply change it again later. So don't stress if it doesn't look perfect the first time. Alright, shifting gears, let's talk about premium users. If you've upgraded your Wix site, you actually unlock a lot more control over your DNS settings. This means you can connect a custom domain like mybusiness.com and manage technical details such as CalName, A-Records, or MX Records. First things first, you need a domain. You can buy one directly through Wix, which is super convenient and automatically connects everything for you. Or, if you already own a domain purchased from another provider, you can connect that domain instead. To do this, you'll head to the Domains area in your site dashboard. This is a dedicated hub where all things domain-related happen. You'll see clear options to buy a new domain or connect one you already own. Once a domain is linked to your site, this is where you get real control over your DNS settings. You can update your DNS records, point your domain to different servers, set up email addresses, and more. For example, if you're using Google Workspace for email, you'll need to edit MX Records so messages are routed correctly. Don't worry if some of these technical terms sound intimidating. Wix has helpful prompts and explanations every step of the way. So just follow the on-screen instructions. If you ever make a mistake, Wix lets you reset or edit your DNS settings again. And that's really all there is to it. Changing DNS in Wix is mostly about knowing where to look and taking things one step at a time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more viewers. If you have any questions or you ran into any hiccups, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more website tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.